Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. weather briefing. We have nice conditions out there once again this morning. Just abundant cloud cover in the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere. We continue to see those mid and upper level cloud cover spread across the region for this afternoon, giving us mostly cloudy overcast skies, but we're not going to see any chance of precipitation until later on tonight into tomorrow morning, with a chance of some rain showers and also a slight chance of some thunderstorms. Across the region, we are seeing temperatures are in the 70s this morning. Across the region yesterday, we did see temperatures peaking out into the lower to mid 70s. Here at Wallops, we were 73 degrees. The warm spots were Salisbury, Ocean City, and Washington, D.C. at 75 degrees. Last night, once again, a chilly night across the Mid-Atlantic region for this time of year, seeing temperatures slightly below normal. Baltimore and Salisbury at 57 degrees. Those were the cool spots. Here at Wallops, we were 61. Other locations anywhere from the upper 50s to lower to mid 60s. Did see a little bit of precipitation across the region in the last 24 hours. Richmond saw 0.02 of an inch, while Washington, Langley, and Newport News saw some traces, just some widely scattered light rain showers across the region early this morning. As of 9 a.m., we are seeing temperatures anywhere from the mid 60s to the lower 70s. Here at Wallops, we are 69 degrees under mostly cloudy skies, and most of the locations seeing anywhere from mostly cloudy to cloudy skies. Looking at our surface analysis of 12Z this morning, we do have high pressure that is currently located over the Great Lakes into the northeast states. It's giving us our drier weather in the mid layers of the atmosphere especially, and that's delaying these rain showers that are currently associated with the remnants of Hurricane Irma, as currently Tropical Depression Irma, across Alabama. And that moisture is trying to spread into our region, but that area of high pressure is really allowing for us to stay dry. That area of high pressure is going to continue to lead to dry conditions for the remainder of the day into the late evening hours, and finally this moisture will push through the region, giving us a decent chance of some rain showers and a slight chance of thunderstorm overnight into tomorrow morning. Some locations could see a sprinkle or two today associated with this moisture coming through, but it won't really amount to much at all if it does occur across our region. We have this warm front that's currently across the coastal Carolinas. It's going to be moving into our region, and that also provides some forcing for some rain showers and possibly a thunderstorm tonight into tomorrow morning. Looking at our prog charts the next several days, here's our Tuesday midday planner. High pressure over the eastern portions of the Mid-Atlantic region that's going to be sliding off the coast. Moving on to our Tuesday PM planner, we'll have high pressure continuous slide over the western portion of the Atlantic. We'll have some moisture starting to try to move towards the Delmarva Peninsula, but it'll have a tough time doing so, as I mentioned, due to that high pressure. And looking at our Wednesday AM planner, this warm front will start to move through the region and towards the central portions of the Delmarva Peninsula by tomorrow morning. That's going to provide us with some showers and also a possibility of a thunderstorm. So looking at our hazards for today, we'll have green conditions for the daytime hours today. Temperatures peaking out in the 75 degree range, so mid 70s, so green for all our hazards as well. Winds will be fairly light out of the southeast this afternoon, about 7 to 12 knots. Winds will turn more south-southeasterly tonight at 5 to 10 knots with a low of 67 degrees, and we'll introduce some rain chances after midnight tonight, and also a possibility of some low cloudiness with those rain showers in the area tomorrow morning. Looking at our 24-hour terminal forecast, currently we have a few clouds at 11,000 feet, a broken deck at 16,000 feet, and a broken deck at 25,000 feet. But this afternoon we'll just continue to see those mid-level type clouds and upper-level clouds over the area in abundance, and then by this evening we'll see those mid-level clouds really start to thicken, and also introducing some mid to lower level clouds with at 2300 local, a few at 3000, a scattered deck at 7000, a scattered deck at 12,000, broken deck at 15,000, overcast deck at 20,000. After one local on Wednesday, we'll see a chance of some rain showers and a 10% chance of a thunderstorm. And then moving on, after Wednesday at 5 local, we'll see a continued chance of showers, but a slightly better chance of thunderstorms, a probability of 15% chance. And then by tomorrow morning at 10 a.m., we'll see a scattered deck at 1,500 feet, a broken deck at 4,000 feet, a broken deck at 8,000 feet, continued chance of some showers in the area, and also a 15% chance of a thunderstorm. Our tides are half a foot above normal currently. And looking into Wednesday and Thursday, Wednesday will have mostly cloudy to overcast skies with a chance of a shower or thunderstorm during the morning, then becoming partly cloudy in the afternoon. It'll be humid with a high of 82 degrees. And we have yellow for the precip, the lightning, and also the ceilings and visibilities. Looking like our best chance of lightning will most likely occur anywhere from about 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock tomorrow morning into the early afternoon hours. Then Wednesday night, looking like we'll have partly cloudy skies. We'll be in between the warm front that's going to move more north of our area and another system off the west, so just providing partly cloudy skies. We'll still be humid with a low of 69 degrees and green for our hazards on Wednesday night. And then Thursday, looking at partly to mostly cloudy skies, a chance of an afternoon shower or thunderstorm, high of 79 degrees, and we'll have yellow for precip and lightning for our Thursday. Looking for the next 7 days, so for today we'll have mostly cloudy skies in general, high of 75, chance of rain showers, and also a possibility of a slight chance of a thunderstorm tonight, a low of 67. That low of 67 will be around midnight tonight and then rising during the overnight hours. And for Wednesday, we'll have our warmest temperature the next 7 days at 82 degrees. Chances of showers and thunderstorms, especially during the morning into the early afternoon hours. And Thursday we'll have additional chances of showers and thunderstorms, high of 79. We'll have the upper level low system that's currently composed of the remnants of Irma trying to move over our region. It will be much weaker than it is currently over the southeast states, so we'll just have some chances of pop-up showers and thunderstorms on Thursday, especially during the afternoon and evening. Then Friday we'll have a fairly decent day. We'll have high of 81 degrees, so a little bit more warmth across the region, a little bit humid for mid-September for Friday at 81 degrees. And then for the weekend, looking like it's going to be a really nice pattern shaping up. Temperatures in the upper 70s to lower 80s across the Delmarva Peninsula. Here at Wallops we see 79 for both Saturday and Sunday, and then Monday at 78 degrees. Low temperatures in the mid-60s with an onshore flow developing for Sunday and Monday, so looking like pretty nice conditions, high pressure in control. Take a quick look at the tropics. Currently we do have Hurricane Jose that's between the Bahamas and Bermuda. Sustained wind at 75 miles an hour, so it has weakened since yesterday. Looking at the hurricane track, it's going to complete a loop here and then move westward and then finally northwestward between the Bahamas and Bermuda once again, so not moving very quickly. And this is location they have here is Sunday at 2 a.m. Kind of off the Florida and Georgia coastline, well off of their coastlines, but east of those locations. You can see here the infrared loop. It is starting to develop more convection around the center. As of recently this morning, it has been dealing with some shear due to the remnants of Irma, and once that shear does relax, it could strengthen slightly from where it is in the next few days. Looking at the latest hurricane models and tracks, you see here completing this loop and then finally moving off more to the north. So the hurricane center is west of the consensus of these hurricane models here. And most of these hurricane models are projecting a path between the East Coast and Bermuda and out to sea as we get into early next week. We'll continue to monitor this system for any changes in the track, but right now it does look like it should spare the East Coast and Bermuda of any impacts. Well, that's going to complete the weather brief this morning. We'll be back at 8:15 and also at 10 o'clock tomorrow morning.